Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Laszlo and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you an amazing 4-card magic trick, a 4-card teleportation magic trick in which you just need a little bit of sleight of hand, and except for that everything is very simple and easy to do. So without any further ado, let's jump into the performance. After that we're going to get into the tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, you can see over here I have 4 cards like this, and I'm going to count in front of you. These are all just 4 cards, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I've got 4 playing cards over here. I'm going to turn over the top card, that is the Ace of Hearts. And I'm going to keep the Ace of Hearts right over there. Then I'm going to take a look at the other card, that is the Ace of Diamonds, and I'm going to keep the Ace of Diamonds right over here. And then I'm going to keep these 2 cards right over here. Now if I snap over here and snap over here, you would find that the Aces has actually traveled over here, and over here I have got the 2 Jokers. So let's see how you can do this card trick. Alright friends, this is how the trick is done. First of all, you need to have 2 identical pair of cards. The first pair is the 2 red aces, the Ace of Hearts and the Ace of Diamonds. And the second pair is the 2 Jokers. You can use any 2 other identical cards which are contrasting to these aces. For example, you could have used 2 Kings or 2 Queens, 2 Jacks, 2 Tens, 2 Sevens, whatever you wanted to. I'm going to use Jokers because I love this trick. I love doing this trick using these Jokers because these are literally the most different card from the entire deck of cards. So what you're going to do at first is you're going to place any one of these cards, for example the Ace of Hearts. Then you're going to place one Joker right over here. Then you're going to place another card like this, and then you're going to place another Joker. So literally this is the setup. These 2 look-alike cards are placed like this, and between them the card that the spectator won't know. So you have seen this. You have seen this in my trick when I was actually doing the trick. You have seen this, that I haven't shown you the Jokers before. I just showed you the 2 red aces. So the cards that would be hiding would be in the 2nd position and the 4th position from the top. And in the 1st position we have the card that we are going to show, and in the 3rd position we have the other card that we are going to show. So the Jokers are right now placed over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to keep these cards turned over like this, and we are not going to say to the spectator that what cards are there. We are just going to say that these are just 4 playing cards, and you're not going to turn over like this. I did it by mistake, but you're not going to turn it like this. What you're going to do is you're going to take these cards and you're going to say to your spectator that I have 4 playing cards like this, and I'm going to count in front of you. So as you count 4 playing cards like 1, 2, 3, 4, what happens is the order of the cards changes. Now the Joker is at the top and the other Joker is at the bottom. The card that you are going to show it to your spectator is in the 4th position and the 2nd position. So the counting actually sets you in the right position of doing this trick. So the Joker is right now in the 2nd and the 4th position. So if I count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see right now the Joker is at 1st position and at the 3rd position. Now what you're going to do is, as you are actually counting 4 cards like this, 1, 2, then after the 2nd card you're going to keep a pinky break like this, and then a 3 card, and you're going to place the 3 card on the top of this pinky like this, and then the 4th card. So at this point you have 2 cards on top of the pinky break and 2 cards on the bottom of the pinky break. And as you actually put your index finger over here and you turn over 2 cards as one, it looks like that you have just turned over the Ace of Hearts, but in reality you actually turned 2 cards, the Ace of Hearts as well as the Joker. So at this point, when these 2 cards are on the top of your pinky or the pinky break, you're actually turning these two cards over as one to show the ace of hearts. But when you are actually keeping this card, you are actually keeping the other card, that is the joker over here. So you turn over like this, then you keep the card over there. The spectators are going to think that you have kept the ace over here, but you've actually kept the joker. The ace is over here. Now what you're going to do is, you're again going to do a double lift, but this time it's a little bit different. You're going to hold the pack in the middle grip, just like this. You're just going to hold the pack over here with your your middle finger and your ring finger like this, and then with your thumb on this edge like this. Then you're going to slide the actual top card, which is the first ace, like this into the other hand, and then you're going to do the Stuart Gordon double lift. If you don't know how to do the Stuart Gordon double lift, link is given in the video description. Check the link out for the tutorial. Now after you have learned the Stuart Gordon double lift, it would be easy for you, or else you can do any kind of double lift you want. So first, after this card is placed over here in this hand, you're going to do that double lift, and you're going to show this ace of diamonds to your spectator. So as your spectator sees this ace of diamonds, they think that this is the actual card, the ace of diamonds, and you're going to turn it. But since this is a double lift, the top card is actually a joker. Then the spectators won't know this. So as you turn this, you turn two cards as one. The spectators are going to think that this is the ace of diamonds, while in reality the joker is actually over here, and you're going to place it like this. You're not going to show this card, you're just going to turn over two cards as one, and you're going to show it is the ace of diamonds, and you're not going to show this joker. And then you're going to turn two cards face down like this, and then you're going to keep it over here. So it would look like that you have kept the ace of diamonds over here. Then you have actually the two aces in this hand over here, and you're going to drop it over here. Then you can do any kind of magical gestures what you want to do. You can snap like this, or you can do like this. You can wave your fingers, whatever you want to do, just do it. And after that, you reveal that the aces are over here and the jokers are over here. Right now I'm going to give you a demo in slow motion. First, you're going to keep a card which we want to show actually. For example, the ace of hearts, then the joker, then another ace, and then the joker. Right now you're going to turn over this card like this. You're not going to say to your spectator what cards these are. Then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to count the four cards like this. 1, 2, and on the third card you're also going to put a pinky break like this. 3, and you're going to put a pinky break, and on the fourth card on the top. So the fourth card is actually the joker. Then you're going to turn two cards like this and show them the ace of diamonds. Then two cards you're going to turn over like this. You're going to do a double lift, and then you're going to keep just a single card over here. Then again you're going to hold the packet just like this, pull out this card, and then you're going to do the Stuart Gordon double lift. Then turn over two cards as one, and then you again just take one single card and keep it over here, and you put these two cards over here. Then do some magical gestures, show that the aces have traveled back over here, and these two cards are actually two jokers. So this is the idea. The spectator sees these two aces in the beginning of the trick, but they don't know what the other two cards are. And this is how cool this trick is, and they are not going to actually think of what the other cards are. Just they are going to concentrate on these aces, and they would travel back to their original position. And that's so beautiful thing about this trick is, and it's so simple and so easy to do. If you're actually just a beginner in card magic, or if you're also a professional, whatever you are, this trick is so easy, and you can pull this anytime, anywhere with just any deck of cards. This is a must-known trick for your everyday card routine. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing 4-card teleportation trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @shwell_zari. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!